What up, y'all? Hey, this video is gonna be a little different than the norm. I'm waiting on a hellacious amount of parts right now to finish this thing. I'm waiting on the transmission, a torque converter, the intercooler kit. I'm just at a standstill, y'all. So while I wait, I'm gonna let y'all hydrate on a little surprise, little secret I got for y'all. And it's gonna be a big help for this channel for the future and future builds. This video is gonna start off us walking in the garage. Dawson, aka Ricky Bobby, we setting him up with a little elf on the shelf. You know, he's 3.5, so we trying to have fun with him while he's young, you know. So I'm gonna start the video off with that. Ricky Bobby gonna find the little elf on the shelf sitting on that turbo, just for fun, you know, for the kids. They like that kind of stuff. And then I'm going to get into opening up my little packages, and then letting y'all in on this little secret. So, hope y'all like the vid. If y'all into turbo Suburbans and like square body dualies and all that, man, just hit that sub. All right, peace, y'all. Hope y'all enjoy. Later. We gotta open the boxes.
We have to open the boxes right there on the left.
Yes, indeed. Wait, what is that? What is that sitting in the turbo on a Suburban? You see his head popping up?
Yes.
What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Get a chair and see. Let Dad get you one. What the heck? And he got a note? What is this?
I don't know.
What he says? Let's see.
Who put that in there?
It says, "Hello, Dawson and Sawyer. My name is Turbo. Santa sent me from the North Pole to watch over y'all. I fly back to the North Pole each night to let Santa know if you all are good or bad." Man, that elf has a terrible grammar, huh, Dawson?
Yes.
What the heck did he even just try to say? I don't even know.
Who put that in there?
No one. He came here from the North Pole. What the heck?
What the hell?
You don't say that. That's a bad word.
That's
Dude, what you think about him? Is he scary?
no, he's just a nice person.
He's a nice person? Do you want to play with him?
You're not supposed to touch him.
Oh, look.
If you touch him, it loses its magic.
He said he's going to hang out right there until tomorrow.
He's going to fly away tonight and go to Santa. Go back to the North Pole to let Santa know how you did today. And then when we wake up in the morning, he's going to be in a new spot in the house.
Oh, we don't know.
We don't know. Wherever he wants to
We
go.
didn't even know he was right here.
Santa, he flew here all the way from the North Pole tonight.
I didn't know he can. No, I
Man, what you think about it?
That's a
His name is Turbo.
turbo boost.
Turbo boost. All right, you ready to open the mystery packages?
Yes.
Let's open these things up. All right, y'all, I'm sure y'all here because I told y'all we got a little announcement to make on Sunday evening, Central Standard Time. But me and Ricky Bobby here, we're going to unbox these packages and let y'all in on that little secret we've been holding for a couple days now. All right, you ready to open up package number 1? You excited? All right, I'm just gonna cut it with my dull razor blade, and then I'm gonna let you open it up. What do you got? Let's pull them parts out.
Wow, that's so cool.
Open it up, pull them out.
Oh, it's a turbo boost.
It's a turbo boost. Come stand right here. Man, what that is? What that is?
Dada, this toy is for you.
Yeah, you already know that. That looks like an AEM water methanol kit for that turbo Suburban. Let's keep on opening packages now, y'all.
Now let's open a 16.
Let's open another one.
Yes, that one calls 16.
60?
Yes.
That's what this one's called, a 60. That don't make any sense to me, but if it makes sense to y'all, hey, while y'all here, go ahead and drop that sub. Go ahead and hit that bell notification. We building a turbo Suburban. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is.
Let's open it.
Let's open it.
What is
What is this?
it? Let's open
Stand right here, Dawson. Stand right here. What this is?
this.
We got some of them MSD superconductor spark plug wires.
Yes.
We got that AEM inline filter for that water meth kit. Some Earls and fittings. Some more and fittings. What the heck is this? Holley fuel pressure regulator kit. Let's check that out for a test. With some more fittings, y'all. How many fittings does one guy need in life? Let's look at this jewelry here. What you think that look like, Doss? Ooh-wee. That's that new Holley EFI fuel pressure regulator they got. I think that thing could handle 60 to 90 PSI with a boost reference. With a boost reference 1-to-1 regulator.
2 of them.
For every pound of boost is a pound of fuel pressure. What that is?
I don't know.
Took out. Alright, that's that AEM solenoid there. For whenever that water meth activates, it'll open that valve.
You saying with this one?
No, need of me. And an inline filter. Let's open this one. Your mystery is gonna be in here somewhere. These are all dead ass mysteries. Whoa.
Whoa, you see that?
Oh, that Holley LS fuel rail kit. That's gonna be a nice addition. Pull that stock junk off of there with that built-in regulator, and it's gonna be game on. What you talking about, boy? Don't ever say that again. That's vulgar.
No, I said right?
No, don't say that. That's vulgar.
That's not fun.
That's vulgarities.
Dad, is this box for Dawson?
I don't know. Let's open. Stand behind Dada. You're blocking the camera, Shooty. What is this? It says Simpson on the box, so I'm assuming it's safety equipment.
Dad.
All I can tell y'all is it says Simpson and it's lightweight. That's telling me one of two things. Carbon fiber
Jacob.
and a helmet.
Can you open that?
Yeah, let's open it.
Look.
What's this? What is this? Is that a bag to put the helmet in? A racing suit?
Yes.
I wish.
You have
Man, that's a nice bag there.
You have another thing.
Yeah, we're gonna pull it out. Don't drop it now. Leave it in there. Leave it in there. Yeah, that's a nice. That thing got velvet on the inside, velvet cactus. Man, let's see what we got here. Cause y'all already know safety first.
Yes, safety first.
You already know.
Yes, you already know, baby. You already know, baby. Already know, baby.
They got that thing very well packaged. Man, look at this Simpson Devil Ray carbon fiber helmet. Only weighs 2.3 pounds. Yes, indeed.
What was written there? What was it that had? I didn't know they had.
I think that's extra earpieces. Man, look at this thing. That thing pretty, bruh. Carbon fiber.
Carbon fire.
That's carbon fire?
Yes.
Let's see how it fit me. Let's see how it fits them mullet vibes. Oh, yeah. Ah, look.
Great.
Fits like a glove, because I took my little head measurements with a tape measure.
I don't want to put that helmet on.
You want to put it on?
No.
Let's just try it. Let's just try it. Man. Dude, you look sick with it. Say, Wacky Wednesday.
Wacky Wednesday.
Look at the camera. Look at that camera.
Wacky Wednesday. Excuse the drip.
Yes, indeed. Boy, that helmet light, huh? Man, I gotta put that thing on again. That thing comfortable. No being in All right, let's see what else we got.
That's the last package.
The last package we got, bud.
I think it's that package for Dawson.
Yeah. They might have something that you like in here.
Is it a big present?
No. Pull that out of there. Throw that over there.
Oh,
Throw that over there.
whoa,
Whoa.
look at this.
What's that? Show the camera. What is that?
This
A
is-
LS Fest.
Yes, it's a
It's a Holley LS Fest car.
and another one.
Two of them. One for you and one for baby brother. Go bring baby brother his car.
Look at this. I give you a present.
That's
And they
all
have
right. And what's this?
a race car.
That's Dead shirt. A Holley Camaro t-shirt. Size extra large for extra drip. And what's this? That's your shirt. Small. Whoa, look at it. Oh my gosh. Hold it up. Dude, that's fire, bro. You love your shirt? Put it by your car. Man, look at that car. That car is sick. Another shirt for that extra large Holley flavor.
That is
What's,
shirt.
what's that? That's a hoodie.
That's a hoodie?
That's a Holley hoodie, Doss.
Yes.
I know who's gonna steal this. Mama gonna steal this. Cause it's like her color she like. As y'all could already guess, y'all, we partnered up with Holley Performance on this single turbo Suburban build.
No, sweet.
Y'all gonna get tired of hearing me say single turbo Suburban, but guess what? I don't care.
Dada, we gonna switch switch with our toys.
Let's open up some more. Got me that. Watch out the way. Got me that Simpson Racing banner to hang on the wall for pure sections. Wait, what's that shirt?
I don't know. We have new shirts.
And another shirt for Dawson, y'all. AKA Ricky Bobby. AKA just Ricky, because that's Bobby sitting in his mama's arm right now. Whoa. Hold this one up. Show him. Holley, bro. You gotta hold it with 2 hands. Put the car down. Yes, indeed. Let's check out this other banner. It's a big banner, huh? Watch out the way, dog. But that thing gonna look nice on that wall. What y'all think? Hey, drop a comment if this is what y'all thought that my little surprise would be. And if y'all didn't think it was gonna be this, go ahead and drop a comment what y'all thought I was gonna surprise y'all with.
We're gonna switch
Man.
with our toys.
Bunch of Holley plates to put on all my vehicles. And you already know, them Holley sticks for them hellacious windshield vibes.
For the location windshield vibes.
Yes, sir. Dawson, what you think about it? What you think about your presents? You love it? You want to open that car bad, huh?
No.
It's got powers.
Yes.
Show everybody your car. Man, what that is?
66.7.
Man, that's a 66.7?
Yes, I will show you how to go that.
Man, that's fast, huh?
Oh, he ripped it.
Yes, indeed. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and cut this video off. I hope y'all enjoyed this little unboxing / little surprise I had for y'all. Hope y'all like it. Go ahead and hit that sub, drop a comment, hit that like, whatever y'all want. Stay tuned. We got a lot coming for the year 2024 with Dewey Speed Shop.